Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Moses, and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. It is a very chilly Monday afternoon, and it's supposed to be freezing the next 4 to 5 days. So I thought I would come outside and do some preventative harvesting and bring you along. Let's get started. So these are my green broccoli, and a few of them have some discoloration in them, and I believe that's due to the cold. So we're going to go ahead and do some preventative harvesting of them. Now, as I mentioned, the next 3 to 4 days here in Zone 9A, Florida, we are supposed to be anywhere between 25 to 30 degrees at night. And as also, I'm not going to be in town. I'm going to be in South Florida visiting my mom. So no one will be here to take care of the garden. So I'm going to harvest what I can, and I'll worry about the rest when I get back. So we're here in our purple broccoli area, and we have two small ones that I wanted to let grow to get bigger, but I don't want to run the risk of losing them to the cold, so we're going to get them also. So here is our broccoli harvest. We have a couple purple broccoli heads, and the rest are green. They're not as big as I would like them, but it's a harvest. Let's see about our cabbage and see what we can get. This is a small red or purple cabbage, and we're going to go ahead and get it now. I don't want to come back and see that I should have harvested and have it be messed up. So we're going to... Now here's our red cabbage. There are a couple others here, but they are no bigger than my hand. And I'm going to roll the dice with those and see how they make out. Let's go over to the green cabbage. So here in the cube, we have our 5 Dutch cabbages, and it looks like one I can possibly get. Even though they're in the cube, I'm still concerned about the weather affecting them. So the one that looks like it's the hardest or most firm, I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. And this is it here. And I'm just gonna cut from the bottom. These are my stonehead cabbages, and I'm guesstimating, because I have them so close together, they are very small. And I think I only have one, possibly two, that is ready to be picked. So these are the 3 cabbages that we got. There are 3 different varieties. And overall, I'm happy with it. It's better to get them now than to let the weather destroy you. Next, we're going to go to my mustards and harvest some of the leaves from there. These are my Florida mustards, and as you can see, the leaves are huge. And I've harvested from them a couple of times. I want to say 2 or 3, and they grow back very quickly. I don't want them to be really killed by the cold, so we're going to go ahead and harvest them also. Here is our bunch of mustards that we harvested. It's quite a lot of them. Overall, we got a decent bunch of food that we can save from being destroyed by the cold. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this preventative harvest. As I said, the weather is going to be bitterly cold here in northern Florida, and it's better to be safe than sorry. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. I'm sure in other places around the country, you guys are doing the same thing that I'm doing now. And I wish you all the best of luck in your gardens. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I can't grow is this channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.